البداية ممكن تعطينا لمحة عن انفجار في لبنان.
Across the street, I stop, I pause for a second because I see all the pedestrians around me are all staring at the sky. So I start staring at the sky. And then in a split second, we see a flashing light. And then like 10 or 15 seconds later, the second the blast goes off, I get stuck in a storm, I'm not gonna call it a storm, in a hurricane of glass, rocks, metal. It felt like a slow motion scene. All that happened in like 20 seconds. I'm thinking that I'm definitely gonna die, but I just don't want to die by being stuck under rubble or something flying. So my only reflex was to kneel to the ground and covered my head with both elbows. At that moment, when the hurricane stopped, my first reflex is, oh, my sister. And apparently, from the first blast, she flew, and by the second blast, when everything collapsed, she was unconscious on the ground. The beauty salon is destroyed. Like all the words that we normally use to describe your day or your year or your situation, we use them normally for exaggeration, but now they're very minimal for the situation. It's not even existential, it's not catastrophic, it's beyond that. It's everything times 100.
يا عطرة